What's up everybody? So you've just purchased and received your custom art print and cut from our Commander Grabber shop and you're wondering, how do I install this? Maybe you're looking to change it up and freshen up your Hori Alpha. We'll be changing up the lever, the buttons, and the artwork in this video, and we're approaching this for total beginners. So if you're already a pro, feel free to skip ahead if you feel certain parts are not relevant for you. Okay, let's go over what you will need for this activity. You'll need the Hori Alpha, some standard Phillips head screwdriver. I personally use the iFixit kit, super handy, lots of different heads, buttons and joysticks if you're changing that up, and of course, some new artwork. Some links for artwork in the description below. Opening up the Hori Alpha is pretty simple. There's a latch at the back and we can open up the Hori Alpha and have it yoga itself to reveal the insides. We'll start by unscrewing the ball off of the joystick. You need a flat head screwdriver to put into the bottom of the shaft, and you simply unscrew the ball top from the top. We'll start by unplugging the cables. Both the joystick and buttons have a bit of a latch system to keep the cables tight. For the joystick, it's a simple matter of lifting the hook off and unplugging. But for the buttons, there's a little lever to press for the quick disconnects to unplug from the buttons. For the joystick, it's pretty simple. Simply unscrew the 4 Phillips screws that are holding in the joystick and remove. Take care not to lose the dust cover and shaft cover if you have one. Then we remove the buttons. The Hori Hayabusa buttons are clip-in types, so we just need to carefully squeeze the sides and pop them out one by one. Be careful with using tools to remove them, as the tabs tend to break quite easily. Then we finally remove the 8 shiny screws that are on the back holding in the acrylic. These screws are what keeps the art panel together. We then flip the Hori Alpha back the other way to see the top. Then we can start from the top and unclip the frame that's holding the acrylic in. Carefully move around the frame until you have it off. Then we simply remove the acrylic and take out the old art. We can then install our new art. This one is a new creation by the team at Commander Grabber. If you like this type of design or have your own, feel free to send us a note, links in the description. Alright, installing the art is just the reverse of what we did. The Hori Alpha comes with tabs around the metal plate, so just line up the art with the plate, reinstall the acrylic, and insert the frame back into its spot, bottom first. Then now it's time to flip the Hori back over and reinstall our silver screws, followed by the joystick with the pins facing towards the buttons on the Japanese style sticks. Please take care when plugging in the joystick to line up the pins with the bottom of the connector. For some reason, the Hori Alpha has more pins than there are on the stick. Reinstall the buttons and follow the friendly guide on the bottom of the Hori to rewire the buttons. We can screw the ball top back in at this stage and we can close it up. That's it. I have a quick release on my shaft, so for me, that's the last step. All in all, it's a pretty simple process. Hori's done such a great job making the modification process super simple. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Let me know if this has helped you guys or what you might want to see next in the comments. Like and sub to show some love if you enjoyed this. See you guys in the next one.